Alright guys, here we go. We're going to do a maiden on the 1700mm Super Cub. Everything is plugged in, ready to go. Watch the build video, you'll see where I've got the battery for S2200. Nice morning at the field. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, here we go. I'm going to start out in high rates because it's a Cub and that's how I like to fly things. So, true maiden, slight breeze, light and variable we'll call it. Here goes nothing. Didn't even hit full throttle yet. Boy, I don't know if it needs any trim. That's weird. Don't have that too often. That's hands off. Oh, it lost it already, didn't it? Ah, shoot. Oh well. If it gets in view, you just got to kind of drag a square around it. Yeah, it might be tricky. I'll try another flight and make sure it's on better this time. Alright, let's see. Vertical power is good. Try roll rate.
1 minute.
Pretty good for a Cub. You can see the LED lights look good. Pretty fun. We'll go get the flaps trimmed out, make sure those are working okay. So we'll do one slow roll first. Doesn't need too much inverted. Should be fun.
Half flaps.
There's half flaps, so you're going to need down with flaps. Not too surprising. Pretty close. Full flaps. Pretty close. Okay. Let's do a full flap flyby, see how that goes. Few clicks of rudder. Flaps are very effective. They're big. Do a little touch and go.
Half flaps. Flaps up. Minutes.
Pretty good. it's just not made for this, I guess.
Yeah, when it comes towards it, it doesn't sense enough movement.
Oh, maybe the trees are tripping it out.
Maybe.
Okay, well, she's flying good, guys. Got no complaints there. Let's go up here and do a stall test. Lots of power. So flap up stall test. Full idle, full up. Drops one wing a little bit, but not bad.
Half flap.
Here's
4
a
minutes.
half flap stall test. Full up now. This goes pretty well forward. That's pretty cool.
Full flaps.
I'll turn around and do a full flap stall test. And it just mushes forward. You can steer it with the ailerons and the rudder, no problem.
Flaps up.
Cool. Let's do some sport flying. Inverted. Needs a little down, not too bad. Battery's pretty good there. Nice point roll.
5 minutes.
1 minute left on the 5-minute timer. Do a couple photo passes. Spider on my arm. Big loop with all that 4S power. Pretty cool. Okay, there's my timer. We'll come around here and set up for a landing.
Full flaps.
There's full flaps.
Timer expired.
Don't forget, guys, use flight modes. You can trim it in flight. You saw how easy that was. Made in flight, not a problem. Cool.
Throttle kill.
There we go, 6 minutes, 14 seconds. We'll check the battery when we get home because I forgot my tester, and we'll let you know how it goes. All right, guys, we're back. Got the battery checker on. 40% left in there. If you guys can get the shadow off, you can see it. 40% left, 6-minute flight, wherever that was on the timer there. So very good flying airplane, very honest. As you saw, half and full flap stalls were just mush ahead, very manageable. Very happy with that. So this would be a great airplane as probably your second. If you had safe or auto leveling, probably could be your first. So that's my thoughts on that. We'll get some floats one of these days, guys, and get it on water and hopefully have that for you. So don't forget to use my discount codes and links down below. Appreciate you guys watching this. Hope you found some value in that, and we'll catch you on the next one. JohnVHRC out.